Welcome back to Tools and Tactics. We have a new Klein backpack to check out. You're not going to believe your eyes. This thing holds a ton. Let me show you. This thing actually surprised me a bunch. I wasn't sure if I was even going to do a video on this backpack. I bought two of them. They were 60 bucks each on Amazon. Last week it was a deal. And let me show you what this thing has in it. So, first off, it's got two stages on the zipper where you can, the front opens halfway or fully extends. So let's show you that right now. And look what's in here. Yeah, we got a whole sawzall and a drill and an impact driver and a full-size multimeter and I actually cannot believe how much fits in this backpack. So let me show you. Zip these down on the side right here. And we're not going to go over every tool. I'm just going to show you really quickly that everything does fit very comfortably. And nothing is really crammed. Nothing's trying to fall out. And nothing is getting smashed to make this thing fit. This just fits really, really well. It's got plenty of space where we're not even crossing that threshold where this would be able to close. So like it's even holding itself up. So let me show you here. We got a whole sawzall in this thing. Got our hammer drill driver right there. But the magic of this is this DCF 850, which fits in that tiny pocket. And let me tell you, this thing is a monster for its size. I'm actually switching from 12 volt to 20 just because of the new power stack and how compact things are getting. It's really, really insane. So we have a full-size multimeter. It's a long multimeter. That thing is huge and it fits just fine. We even got spots for our circuit toners and tracers. And then just like every tool bag, you know, you got your slots. One thing to note though, right here, this is 1000 volt braided Kleins, and they have these extra ears here. Let me show you what a regular pair looks like. This is a regular pair. They don't have near as much that sticks out. And even standard Kleins, which I don't own any. I've only got the Journeyman series or the 1000 volt series. But most of your tools are just flat. They're just smooth like this. So they just fit right in. But one thing to note is that this backpack fits the larger style Kleins in there relatively easy. And that is impressive. This whole backpack is impressive. Everything fits, everything has a place. So, zip it up and let me show you what else we can put in here. So of course I've always got my glove holder. I might not wear gloves on these testing videos, but trust me, when I'm working, I wear gloves. This front backpack fits a ton of stuff. Even a pair of Kleins, like long, like these are pretty long. You don't realize how long those are. But that fit in this pocket. And we've got just bits and all kinds of stuff. So you got plenty of storage there. And then you got a little hidden pocket up here. And that fits even more bits and stuff right there. Does have a tape measure holder. Clips right on there. And this is where I keep my flashlight. So we've got the 12 volt. This one's pretty nice. It's got a spot where you can clip it to your pants or whatever. Flip this around and then you can wear it and still have light while you're working. Pretty cool design, especially if you're wearing a harness, where that harness would have a piece that comes across here, and it's really nice because you can clip that right there, angle this light, and especially, you know, even if the power's on, the lights are on, whatever, once you go all the way up in a scissor lift, the lights are shining down. So as you go above the lights in a scissor lift, it starts to get a little bit dark. So you wear this on your right here, and then you get some extra light while you're, you know, strapping conduit, whatever you're doing. But that's just some 2 cents. All right, well, that's all I got for the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.